Now, with that being said, allow me an opportunity to now segue into our next session, Reimagining Payments the Zoho Way. Allow me an opportunity to now invite our speaker on stage. Let's give it up for Ashok Selva Ganesan, COO of Zoho Payments Technologies Zoho.
Good morning, everyone. Am I audible? Yeah. So the last session ended with Mr. Ravi mentioning about reimagining and redefining, right? So the title of this presentation is also Reimagining Payments the Zoho Way. And let me give a brief introduction about Zoho. We are a technology company and we build software for the businesses, right? And we have spent more than 2 decades in imagining and building software for the businesses. And globally, we have like more than 130 million registered users using our products. And we have like 55 plus different products, right from sales and marketing to finance and operation to communication and collaboration. And we are truly a made in India and made for the world company. And when we talk about India, India is leading the global Fintech revolution, right? With UPI clocking more than 20 billion transactions per month. And we are the country which does more real-time payments than any other country in the world. Despite all these progress, payments typically operate in silos, right? So the business will have to use one solution for their payment acceptance, one solution for their in-person payments, one solution for their disbursement, one for their accounting and reconciliation, right? And not just that, the business's typical everyday workflow doesn't embed the payment capabilities into it. So we have disconnected workflows and payments are typically disconnected from the business software. This is not a new problem. Zoho, we have faced this same problem in the business software space, and we have created a unified suite which spans across the finance and operation, the sales and marketing, and the communication and collaboration. So the data gets seamlessly sent to multiple departments across the company. So it's like truly integrated. And with that same philosophy, we are also reimagining the entire payment space. And we imagine Zoho Payments to be one platform for all the business needs. Right from collections to payouts to embedding the banking capabilities and to have an interoperable system with Bharat Connect. So when the systems are not truly integrated, a lot of issues occur, right? Right from reconciliation issues to delayed payments to delayed shipment of goods. So we are trying to create an omni-channel payment experience. When it comes to collections, we are into the online payment space. Last year, we unveiled our online payment gateway, where we support UPI cards, net banking, wallets, and bank transfers. And just yesterday, we unveiled our in-person payment solutions, where we have an Android POS, all-in-one Android POS, embedded with Zoho's billing capabilities and inventory management capabilities. It has a tap, dip, swipe, and the QR code-based payments as well. And we are also launching our smart POS device, where the dynamic QR and static QR is present, along with the contactless payments and the dip. And we also have a soundbox and a QR code. And we are not just stopping with this, we are also embedding the other offline capabilities in the payments. We are providing businesses the ability to create a virtual bank account number and embed these virtual bank account numbers, associate these to the customers and embed them into the invoices. And we don't stop with creating products. We also believe that payments or any other system should be contextually embedded into the business software, right? The workflow should be like very, very seamless to the customers. So whenever a business is generating an invoice, we embed the virtual account numbers which are associated with the customer in that particular invoice, and we also associate a payment link so that a lot of option is presented to the customer for getting online payments. And similarly, when a business is dealing with e-commerce, we contextually embed the checkout experience into the e-commerce website or into their mobile apps. And if they are collecting one-time payments, we have a payment link and a payment page which can be sent to the business, and they can accept the payments in any format of their choice. And in case the businesses are dealing with the recurring payments, we also empower the business to collect recurring payments through UPI and other methods. So when we build a unified system which spans both the online payments as well as the in-person payments, it gives greater flexibility to the businesses and a unified experience and a central dashboard for the business, and thereby getting better visibility of the cash flow. And we are applying the same principle in the payouts part as well. So in payouts, we provide the businesses with a virtual payout account with which they can move money to their employees. And we also have something called connected banking, with which we integrate directly with the banks and facilitate NEFT, RTGS, and IMPS payments. And similar to the collections part, we always believe in embedding these payment capabilities right contextually into the business software. So we have a suite of payroll, expense management, accounting, billing solution. We are embedding these capabilities, the payout capabilities, into each of these software. So typically, what would a business do? The business will generate payment advice from their payroll software and then go to their banking portal, upload it, and then try to reconcile it with their payroll software, right? So we are embedding these capabilities so that the businesses can initiate the salary payment contextually right from within the payroll software. And the same is the case with vendor payments. They can add their vendors, manage their entire supplier ecosystem, and then initiate the NEFT, RTGS, or IMPS payments directly right from within our software. Same is the case with employee reimbursement. In case a lot of you might be traveling for GFF, you would want to get the money reimbursed, right? So we are giving a flexibility for the finance team of the businesses to get or seamlessly reimburse the employees as well. And we are also a GST Suvidha provider where we facilitate the GST payments right from within our software. And not just the collections and payouts, we also believe in embedding the payment capabilities right into embedding the banking capabilities right into the business software. So we introduced a concept called connected banking, where we directly integrate with the banks and embed these capabilities into the software. We have partnered with close to 7 banks, both public sector and as well as the private sector banks. And some of the capabilities of connected banking include the payouts. Businesses can pull their bank statements and use it for reconciliation. Businesses can see their live balances right from within the financial suite of application. And we also facilitate in opening the account for the businesses. And not just that, we are also part of NPCI's, NBBL's Bharat Connect for businesses, where truly they have created an ecosystem of buyers and suppliers where the exchange of information can be seamless, thereby eliminating a lot of errors, manual data entry, and faster receiving of payments. We always believe that the end-to-end payment solution delivers more value than the silos, right? By integrating the collections, the payouts, the embedded banking, and the Bharat Connect for business, we believe that we truly create more value for the businesses. And one of our core vision is to ensure that the business software, the payments and banking, they don't operate in silos, and all of these have to converge together so that the life of the businesses can be made simpler. So we have tried to showcase the convergence of the payment acceptance, payouts, the banking capabilities, and the truly interoperable Bharat Connect for businesses. Yep. We always at Zoho believe in providing the solutions end to end in a contextual way and in a unified ecosystem, right? So this is what we call the Zoho way. Thank you. I think like I'm 46 seconds earlier. Thank you.